Welcome to my channel. This is GBL 700 BT, and today I'll be telling you the difference between the original and the fake one. So I've been using this for a while now, and I thought I'm using the original one, not knowing that I'm using the fake one. So I'll be telling you the difference so you don't make the same mistake I made. So when you go to the market, you buy the original one. So let's dive into it right now. My name is Agui Manu, and I'm Things and Things here. I talk to you everything about tech. So this is my GBL 700 BT. I've been using it for a year plus right now. So let me put it through everything. So this is made of plastic right here. It's made of plastic, and I love the way it feels in the hand. It's so cool. And the next thing I love about this is I love the way it feels in my ear. Before my ear start feeling itchy or stuff like that, maybe 3 to 4 hours before it starts feels like that. So I enjoy it all the way down. I enjoy it. So that is one thing about it. The charging point is Type C. That is one thing that gets me attracted to it first. What I said is uses Type C cable for it. So that's the first thing that gets me attracted to it. So, and it's so cool. I even thought it has noise cancellation. So that's why I bought it. So I found out that this is the fake one. So now let me compare the original one and the fake one to you. The original one earpad is so big and it's so if you see it, you know that yes, this is the original one, but I've never seen it before, so I can't compare the two together because of I thought this is the original one, though I don't know it's the fake one right here. So that is just it there. So if you want to know the difference, you see the earpad, and it's not using Type C, it's using micro cable for it. If you want to use it, the people that do this fake one, they're so smart. They know that if we see the Type C, we will get attracted to it. So but this one is using the micro cable right here, and the charging point is under here right here. So that's one thing about it here. That is just so simple. So if you want to get it, just be careful and not the original one to the fake one, so you will not get it mixed up together. My name is Agui Manu, and I'm Things and Things. Respect.